Well, here we are at the shed, and here's the trailer. I don't know, I thought he would leave the top of it open inside when it's fucking snowing. I guess they wanted to turn on shit like that, pile of crap. The light that's been on probably since Dad died, or much, much longer. Oh, I would have loved these curtains my grandma probably made. But they're getting eaten by fucking rats like the rest of the shit in here. Found a bunch of Dad's mail. Bank of America account. Other account. All this old food. I can't believe a bear hasn't broken in here and eaten. The rats certainly have. That tub's full of dishes. A couple plates, some silverware. Bathroom back there. There's just a bunch of Dad's old clothes. This big pile of fun. There's some furniture. Stove or some shit. Washer and dryer. Plates, hangers. And the snowshoes back there maybe. Real fun times.